Yo, what's up, guys? I'm with my dog I'm going to make. I just want you guys to meet my fat So this is Elle, this is her real end. Yeah, she'll show her face soon, hopefully. We will cut to that right now. Okay, here's my dog, and she went back up, yeah. That's her. But she's super cute, yeah. She goes to my sister. Oh god. So, that is my dog. Say hi to Elle. Her name's Elle. I call her Fat Tina, and I got her new nickname. And her name is Chunky Monkey. Yeah. Oh, and that's my sister. Hi, Cindy. Oh, there you are, puppy dog. She's 3 years old, not a puppy anymore, but but she's super cute. She's super nice. She's super friendly, and I love her loads. And yeah, there you go, little Ellie Belly. You want to come down? Oh God. Well, that's my. If you want to say, well, if you want to see it or her, sorry. And yeah, hope you guys think she's cute. Hope you guys love her. And if you guys do, hit that like, something about it, and please subscribe. If we could get to 10 subscribers, that would be awesome. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.